If you're looking for a powerful drone without spending more than $200, this list will save you from wasting time on low-quality models. Because today I'm breaking down the top 5 best drones under $200. Please watch the full video to know which product is the best, because my number 1 pick delivers features you usually only find in high-end drones. Let's get started. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. 2025 S156 Drone. The S156 Screen Mini Drone packs surprising performance for its size. It includes an 8K HD camera with a 90-degree electric adjustment system and a compact pocket-friendly body. Its light flow positioning module helps maintain stable flight even in light wind conditions. Pros: easy to carry and travel-friendly. Electric adjustable camera improves shooting angles. Stable hovering with light flow positioning. Strong value for beginners and casual flyers. Number 4. S156 4K Drone. This upgraded S156 model features dual cameras, a brushless motor for smooth performance, and optical flow positioning for added stability. It is built for users who need clearer footage and stronger wind resistance compared to basic mini drones. Pros: dual camera setup expands creative shooting options. Brushless motors provide longer lifespan. Stable hovering with optical flow technology. Reliable performance for entry-level aerial videography. Number 3. SG109 PRO MAX. The SG109 PRO MAX delivers a wide 4K HD view, GPS positioning, and 5G FPV transmission through a built-in large display remote controller. The 4.5-inch screen eliminates the need for a smartphone, making this drone more user-friendly for quick flights. Pros: large remote control screen improves visibility. GPS positioning increases flight stability. 5G FPV transmission offers smoother video. Beginner-friendly controls with strong range. Number 2. 600 Lira PRO MAX. The 600 Lira PRO MAX is packed with premium features rarely found in this price range. It includes a 4K adjustable camera, a 3-axis gimbal for stabilized footage, and long-distance flight capability up to 5 kilometers. The 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system helps protect beginners from accidental crashes. Pros: 3-axis gimbal gives noticeably smoother video. Long-distance flight potential. Effective obstacle avoidance for safer navigation. Strong camera performance for budget videography. Number 1. V168 PRO MAX. The V168 PRO MAX takes the top spot for combining 8K imaging, brushless motors, 5G FPV, and full 360 degrees obstacle avoidance, all under $200. Its large display remote controller and GPS system make flying easier and more accurate, while the design supports stable and professional-looking aerial shots. This model provides the highest value and the most advanced flight features in the entire category. Pros: full 360-degree obstacle avoidance. High-detailed 8K camera for crisp aerial footage. Brushless motors for smoother flight. Large screen remote improves real-time control. Best overall performance under $200. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. All 5 drones offer strong value for the price, but the V168 PRO MAX clearly stands out as the best product because of its 8K camera, advanced obstacle avoidance, and GPS stability features that outperform most drones in this budget. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications. Comment below which drone you are planning to buy, and I will help guide you further. Thank you for watching.